Hi, today in front of me Oppo A77 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face and we will see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's just start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock option just works here fast, correct, and will just unlock the device successfully without any problems. So the face unlock option works correct. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode and pin code unlock methods. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.